What's up, everyone? I know it's been a while. I know it's been over a year since my last video. The reason for that is after the last video, the car went to the body shop, and a lot of people call it body shop jail. To be honest, I gave Michael a really big task. The car originally looked really bad, even worse than what I thought it was. He did a really great job on the car. I can't really blame him, but he had to do a lot of paintless dent repair, pulling little dings out. I guess the car suffered from hail damage, and I didn't know that. The last video, we put the suspension back together, and the car went to the body shop. Here's the thing about Bodywork, is sometimes it takes forever. It took 11 months to get it from me dropping it off to Mikey flattening it out, making sure it's straight, and then painting it. The roof alone took 8 hours. He was doing that on the side, right? He wasn't like working on it every day for 8 hours a day. So it took 11 months, which is fine. What's up, dude?
What's up, buddy?
So we're here. It's 8. What time is it? 8:30 or something?
Something like that.
You think we're gonna get this done today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be done by 3.
By what?
3-ish.
Dang, dude. Okay, okay.
Hopefully not that long, but we'll see.
Well, if we get there, we get there, right?
Yeah, we're working against the heat, so hopefully we can. It's supposed to be like somewhat close to 100 or something with the
Sheesh.
heat index and whatnot.
Does the shop get that hot too?
It does.
Oh boy. Okay.
Yeah, so we'll be cooking all day.
All right. Well, we're cooking something. So he's got most of this stuff ready here. And yeah. Got some work to do for sure. Okay, Mikey, I know you did some work to this car, and explain what you did right here.
Okay, so when you did your pull, when you rolled and pulled for your fitment, you kind of see there's a little bit of a lump right there. Well, this body line that's right there went away because it's so subtle on the factory panel that when you pull this, that line stays where it essentially is supposed to be, and then you pull this at the bottom part of it out. So instead of it going like that, it kind of just does that. So what I did, you'll see in the pictures, is I used a glue pulling system that we have at work. Basically you glue these pull tabs on, and you can get some that are curved. So I glued the pull tabs on all the way from like here to here to pull that line back, and then I just sharpened it up with a little bit of filler.
That's cool, man.
Yeah.
Bringing it back. You know, a lot of people are really afraid to like put aggressive wheels on these cars because of that reason. And I'm really happy you took the time. You know,
I've noticed everybody cuts that lid.
Yeah, which is not good.
Yeah, when you cut that lid, you cut off all the spot welds that hold the outer corner to the inner corner.
Right, and I didn't want to do that.
Right, and I'm sure there's some foam or some glue that holds that together to some degree, but you can't like
Just chop it off.
Panel bond's not meant to just glue pieces together, like it's meant to be glued together with.
Right, it's like a sealant,
welds.
basically.
Yeah, kind of.
That's cool, man. Well, thank you for the work, man. The car, I know we've had the car with you for a while, and it's worth the wait.
Good.
So we're gonna go ahead and spray now, right?
Yep.
Awesome.
Yeah, we're ready to go.
Sounds good. Let's go, boys. Yo.
Today, the blast times will be shorter. So like typically in between sealer and base, I think the flash is like 10 or 15 minutes. I usually wait like 20. And then in between base coats, I think it's like 8 to 15 ish. It depends on the weather, but I usually wait like 10 to 15. On yours, because it's a big job, because it's so hot and it's humid, and we have plenty of stuff to paint basically. It'll probably be like 20 minutes in between coats on everything. Just like, because when I start, like I'll start with chassis, and then by the time I do the chassis, the doors, the hood, all the extra stuff, it'll probably be about 20 minutes of spraying from when I started pulling the trigger on this stuff anyway.
Okay.
And then like, cups aren't going to be big enough to hold a whole coat for everything.
Right.
So I'll have to mix paint a couple times. Like, it'll probably be 20 to 30 minutes between coats, just naturally when we spray. And then in between clear, because it's so hot, I'm gonna clear the chassis first. I'll do 2 coats of clear on that, probably like 5 to 8 minutes between coats. And then I'll clear the other stuff like a second round of clear.
Gotcha.
We'll start on one end, it'll probably be like I start on the hood, clear everything, by the time I'm done clearing everything, we'll be ready to start clearing the hood again. It'll
Right.
just take that long to get around stuff.
Gotcha.
By the time we're clearing, it's gonna be pretty dumpsy out. So.
Yeah, right. It'd be pretty hot.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, I'm gonna leave you alone. I'll just let you do your thing, my friend. I can't be any happier with how Michael finished the car. The car turned out really nice. The paint turned out really good. And we obviously were super excited to bring the car back home, and we had a lot of work ahead of us. So on the next video, we will put the car back together, and I hope you guys enjoy the series, and we'll see you on the next one.